Hi there everyone, Kim at kimsneath.com here in my client's kitchen in beautiful Niagara, and we're in the after, so I've already done the work with her. Hi, so we're here in your kitchen, and did it look like this before?
No,
No?
not at all.
So tell me, what was it like before? What was the before?
Organization was complete chaos.
Okay, so why not tackle this on your own?
It was too much to do. It was definitely too much to do. I didn't know how to do it, and I didn't know how to mediate. So for him to work with you was, for me, ideal. It was absolutely ideal, and yeah, that was the easy way around it.
Beautiful. And so now how do you feel? How do you feel in this beautiful kitchen?
It was life-changing for me. It was absolutely life-changing. I'm not exaggerating. To have the calm and the organization and the ergonomics of everything where it should be, and not to have the clutter of all the gifts and the tchotchkes that people have given us over the years. And it spilled over into the rest of my life. And as you know, we've been working together for years now, on and off, as we tackle each and every space. So it's, and my office is a model of organization. They can't believe that I lived in something quite so chaotic. It was easy. It was easy because it was, it just made so much sense.
Beautiful.
It was really natural, yeah.
Beautiful.
And he liked it. That's the crazy thing. He kept it up too.
That's the
He's
key.
able to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Kim, for changing my life.
You're so
I'm
welcome.
not trying to exaggerate, but it's true.
Oh, that's beautiful.